It was just how is she feeling? How was the travel? And then I would just ask, what is her condition right now? Is she
OK,
in her
normálne
strongest shape
pokračuj.
ever?
Akú máš formu? Aké si forme?
Dobre sa cítim, prípravu som mala fajn a trénujem akože bodybuilding plan a raz do týždňa sparring.
Okay, so she feels good. Her preparation was almost like normally before matches, maybe more intensive. And she prepares like arm wrestling exercises, body fitness, bodybuilding plan. And once a week, she has sparrings.
Gotcha. Have you watched any footage of Courtney's matches? Have you analyzed what technique might be a weak point for her, what you're thinking of doing on the table?
Či si pozerala nejaké Courtney videá, že či si našla nejaké slabé miesta. The last question was?
Just if she analyzed Courtney's style stylistically, does she have a plan as far as what technique she thinks will...
Či máš aj nejaký plán špeciálny, že ako zdolať jej techniku a teda či si nejaký systém jej teda zápasov pozerala?
Pozerala som nejaké videá a ide aj hook, aj top roll. Takže som pripravená na všetky situácie, čo budú na stole a uvidíme.
Yes, she was watching some videos and she was watching the techniques she uses maybe for this hook and top roll. And she's prepared, or she will be prepared for any possible situations that will be on the table.
For sure. Now, I saw your podcast and I learned that you started with rowing. Is that correct?
Yes.
So how many years have you been doing arm wrestling?
Koľko rokov robíš arm wrestling?
3.5 years. Arm wrestling and rowing 2 years.
What was your favorite win in competition or your biggest win?
Ktorá bola tvoja taká, že súťaž najobľúbenejšia, čo si vlastne vyhrala?
World Championship.
I noticed you had beat Nisa Kamenan from Turkey. Was that one of your biggest wins?
Yes.
And also in the podcast, I saw that you might want to face Brigida if you win this match. Is that the number one person you want to face?
Yes.
If you win, is there anyone else you would want to face, or that's kind of the you have your eye on facing her if you win this match?
Či máš niekoho zasa v mysli, alebo teda nejakú výzvu, že ak by si tento zápas vyhrala, s kým by si zasa ďalej chcela akože teda mať zápas? Teda tá Brigita bola spomínaná, a čiže ešte okrem iné ďalší.
Keď dám takú prípravu, tak som pripravená pre všetkých.
Ale v tvojej váhe, áno?
Áno.
Brigita is so far the biggest challenge now, maybe after this match, okay? If she will be successful, and then in her weight category she would be prepared for anyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you train with Barbora? Do you practice with her? No. Okay.
No.
Live far.
Because she live different.
Do you live closer to Petter?
Yes.
Okay. So is it mostly, you mentioned you do like bodybuilding training, arm wrestling specific, and table training. How many days during the week are you doing a sparring? Are you doing a table session?
3 or 5 in gym, and 1 time per week sparring.
Gotcha.
Yes,
okay.
In club.
Awesome. As far as like your inspirations in arm wrestling, what is like a female arm wrestler that you're like, this is someone who inspired you?
Pardon?
A female arm, who is someone that inspired, which athlete, which female arm wrestler is
teda,
inspiration?
že s kým sparinguješ?
With Lucia Debnarová from Slovakia. Yes, with she.
Awesome.
Sometimes I go to sparring in her club.
Is she in the same weight class as you or a different weight class?
No, she down.
Less weight class,
yes,
okay.
Less.
Are you planning on staying at your weight class, or do you plan on going up or going down? What weight are you most comfortable at?
Stay in my, yes.
Gotcha. So this is your first time at EVW, correct?
Yes.
What do you think of where the sport is right now as far as the opportunities? What do you think about arm wrestling in general? And what are your thoughts on the league?
Čiže čo si myslíš o tom arm wrestlingu vo všeobecnosti, teda, že na aké teraz pozícii, že či možno akože vzrastá, alebo proste aký progres má ten arm wrestling? Čo si myslíš?
Tak myslím si, že sa to rozrastá a že aj táto organizácia k tomu podporuje a myslím si, že to ide dobrou cestou.
She thinks that now arm wrestling is exploding or expanding more, and also thanks to this East versus West organization or company that makes matches through the whole Europe and also in the United States, where it's more popular than in Europe, and that it's in a good route, I could say that, or it's in a good way.
For sure. Do you prefer tournaments or super matches?
Či preferuješ turnaj alebo supermeče?
Tak je to rozdielne, lebo pri supermeči sa môžeš tak viac na toho supera tak vynájsť akože tou technikou a tak do tých kôl a vlastne turnament je iba na jedno kolo a takže...
Maybe the super match because she can focus on the opponent on techniques and whatever's on the table, these techniques, and on tournaments it's one opponent on the table and another one, so it changes the
So you
opponents.
say you prefer super matches, but is your experience
Yes.
your experience in the past is mostly
I
tournaments,
like
right?
more super match.
Okay. So have you had any other super matches other than or has it been mostly tournaments leading up to this?
Či si mala tie super mače. Takže môžem povedať Hamburg a in
Hej.
Vienna. So her first super match was in Vienna. It started like it was the company was starting with this. So she was invited to their first super match. And then she was invited to the second one to Hamburg.
Okay.
This Havoc, I don't know if I can say.
She undefeated in the super matches, has not lost.
She was defeated by her name. I don't remember the name. Nepamätám si meno. Victoria.
Carlson.
But it
from
was very
Sweden.
exciting.
Okay.
Yes, super
Okay.
match. It was very exciting.
Awesome. As far as the other matches, what other matches on this event are you looking forward to, or are you curious about the result?
No, že aké ďalšie super matche by si akože uvítala v tej tvojej kariére ďalej?
No tak
What
uvidíme.
does she expect?
Just out of the other matches on the event, which one is she like, oh, I'm curious to see the result, or like has a strong opinion on like, I want to see this person win or something like that? Like obviously she lives near Petter, so she wants to support him, I'm assuming, right? Just asking what other matches
Aké by si
she wants to talk about on the event.
she had before?
No,
or-
for Saturday, just any other matches you want to talk, like Petter, do you think he's going to win?
OK.
Against-
Akože či by si vedela ešte o nejaké tie zápasy na tú sobotu niečo povedať o ďalších?
Aha, tak na Peťa Čeleša lebo je z môjho klubu, povedz. A
Ešte povedz niečo viac o ňom a ja to preložím.
tak na všetky sa teším, tak bude to zaujímavé, je to dobrá karta, tak uvidíme. Že...
A o tom Peťovi troška viac, aby som preložila.
Tak povedz, že tak no.
Yes, so the first, the super match of her, the Petr Čeleš, he's from her club. So he's looking forward to his super match because he's strong, so he's well prepared. And she thinks that all the card of the super matches is very good. It's very good prepared, this card, and these matches will be very interesting,
For
exciting.
sure. I want to ask again about Barbora, just because like most people would see her as like the Lavon of female arm wrestling. Like she's just so great. Who do you think out of the other female arm wrestlers will be able to beat her, or do you think she'll be undefeated for a long time without losing?
Že aké... So,
So I'm just asking for a Barbora from the same.
ako všeobecne zamresleniek? Aha, teda, že no, tak sa počula.
Tak viem, že mala tú Gabrielu a tu porazila, takže teraz je vlastne neporaziteľná.
No, či tam niekto je nejaké armwrestlerky.
Asi nie.
What was the answer?
So far, maybe she thinks there is nobody so far.
Probably no, but I heard
Yes.
Gabrielle, but probably no. But okay.
Yes.
Do you have any message you want to say to your fans, maybe people from your country, or any last message to your opponent?
No, tak sledujte ma, podporujte ma a dám do toho všetko.
Okay, so her message is to watch her, to support her, also by distance to support her, and she thinks she's strong, she's well prepared, so she hopes that it will be hers.
Awesome. One last question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you that you're going to win the match?
Čiže od 1 do 10, čiže ako si vlastne, aké máš sebavedomie, že by si ten zápas mohla dať?
10.
10. All right.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Good luck.